Where is the Apple ID password on the iPhone? Let me show you all of the important information about it. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So the Apple ID password is a very important one that you should remember, but it is possible that it is saved in the Passwords app. So try to look up the Passwords application on your device. Get inside, you'll need to scan your face or authenticate yourself, and then part of the list of all passwords, you can see I have the Apple one right there, and my Apple ID password is actually saved in this place. So you can see that it is on the apple.com website and everything is fine. The password is saved right here and I can access it, right? So if you were setting up your Apple ID and you clicked on a save password, then it's going to be part of this section right here. So definitely give this a try. But outside of that, you can as well find it inside of your settings when you tap on your profile at the top and proceed to the sign in and security. Part of this, you'll see some different things, of course, but also the ability to change your password. And it's possible to change it even without typing in the old one, as long as it's on your phone, that you get authenticated with Face ID and so on, but you will be able to set up a new one. And I think this is very useful because it just makes sure that you then have the ability to save it in the Passwords app or remember it properly. But I hope I was able to guide you through it and help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.